The minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters long. So minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters long. How much distance does the tip of the minute hand move in 45 minutes? Tip of a minute hand will move along the circle. In 45 minutes, it will move 3/4 of a circle. In 60 minutes, it makes one circle. In 15 minutes, it makes 1/4 of a circle, or 90 degrees. In 45 minutes, it makes 3/4 of a circle, or the distance covered, which is nothing but this perimeter, which is nothing but 3/4 of a circle, is 3/4 into 2 pi r, where r is 14. So looking at 3/4 into 2 into 22/7 into 14. 14/7 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 22, 66 centimeters, which is this choice.